Hey Insiders, Faisal here. I'm running a free LinkedIn Masterclass at www.theinacademy.com/masterclass and you're invited. Here's what you'll get. Number one, LinkedIn strategies that are do-it-yourself that you can apply immediately and get results within 72 hours. Number two, my exact blueprint that nails know, like, and trust. This is the part that'll get you to the top of Google and AI chat, by the way. Number three, the hidden LinkedIn dashboard that's going to accelerate your growth. Nobody's talking about this, by the way, but it's really, really important. And I'm going to show you how to decode it so you know where to go so LinkedIn will upgrade you. Number four, how to reverse engineer your 2025 sales goals. This is perfect if you're just starting out, or indeed if you already have a load of followers but can't seem to convert clients from LinkedIn. Coaches, entrepreneurs, side hustlers, I'm talking to you. You're going to walk away with actionable strategies that you can apply immediately. And the best part, it's 100% free. I'll be sharing some of my most valuable methods for landing clients from LinkedIn. And this is the stuff that I never post on my free channels. So if you're ready to build a high impact personal brand, have content that converts, or nail the sales part, this is the masterclass for you. All you need to do is head to theinacademy.com/masterclass or click on the link below and register. It's going to be very small, 25 seats only, so come join us. I'll see you there.